This is a quick draw, and this is the humble Dogbone. Let's think about the Dogbone. Now, I think these things are pretty over-engineered. I've had some for like a decade and it's never broke, not even once. So it makes you question, maybe I'm carrying around a whole bunch of expensive things which are overweight and unnecessary. What if those corporations who make them are pulling the Dyneema over our eyes, and in reality, we could just make them out of everyday items that we would normally throw away? I spoke to my friends and asked them to make some quick draws for me out of everyday items that they would throw away. Soon, the corporation's game would be up. Maybe I, Nate Murphy, could liberate climbers from the Dogbone tyranny. This conspiracy was about to be blown wide open.
It's a little tricky, this bit. I need to make the hole bigger.
Here I'm making my own quick draw. So I've got a couple of carabiners, and I'm not entirely sure what these fruits are called, but
So I trusted my friends with this because I knew that they knew that I was going to be testing them with my life.
Hello, I also have a quick draw for you.
Yeah?
It's my old USB cable.
figure out a way to turn this fat of garlic into a semi-reasonable quick draw.
It's quite thick, so I think it might hold you. So maybe I should use the iPhone cable.
So I'm finished on my quick draw, I think. Dogbone. Safety first. Use 6mm cord.
So this is the quick draw that I made for Nate.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice fall.
So gaffer tape is one of my favourite materials. Finished.
There you go. Compact.
It's definitely.
It's definitely lightweight. Will it whip?
Will it hold on the whip?
I think it's going to hold remarkably well.
I don't like Nate's chances of surviving this day.
We're not using all of these like one after the other.
We're going to mix a couple of real ones in.
Yeah.
a couple.
Kids, I'm not saying don't try this at home, but if you do try this at home, maybe consider that you could be seriously injured or you could die. So we're going to put the rope in 6-seat anchor, so that's when you rope, you've got the carabiners as well.
Yeah, that'd be good.
So when I fall, just be aware that when something breaks, you'll be lifted, and then you'll be dropped, and then you'll be lifted again. Yeah, so like keep a stance. Yeah. Don't like just go with the initial one, because you might end up on your ass before. Yeah.
Are you ready?
No, not really. He barely knows me, for crying out loud. I could be the worst player in the world.
How's your USB gonna go? Snapped right in the middle. USB cord's not so good.
5mm accessory cord, lighter and cheaper than a Dogbone. Will it whip? I was about to find out. So the 5mm cord held, but the problem is, the corporations make that too.
This time we've got the 2mm cord. It's got a nice granny knot in the middle, and it's doubled over a few times. So I've got like, I think medium chance. Ultralight, maybe use one. That one doesn't hold.
The 2mm accessory cord, my favourite contender, it failed, but only just. Maybe it just needs an extra strand. And again, the corporations make that stuff. So it's time to move on with some dog bones made by the people, for the people.
This time we're going to go for the gaffer tape, Ezra's creation. It's the secondary whip which makes it scary. No chance. I just went. This is a soy milk carton. It's good to recycle. That held more than I thought. Now we have an orange bag which has been doubled over like 8 times. I'm worried it's gonna hold. Okay, dude. Should have doubled it down less. What was I thinking? This one, it's a bit ridiculous.
Single-use plastics like this water bottle are a menace to society. Perhaps they could become the dog bones of the future and create an avenue of recycling that finally tips the corporations out of their ivory towers.
Don't know about your craftsmanship. This is dodgy New Zealand engineering. This might be the most ridiculous thing anyone's ever fell on. Oh, again. So it seems that quickdraw dog bones are actually quite cool pieces of kit that they'll just take fall after fall after fall, year on end. So maybe we owe those engineers at the big corporations, maybe we owe them a thank you. But then maybe we just didn't try hard enough. Maybe my friends were a little lazy with their construction. Maybe we can still make quickdraws that fits the reduce, reuse, recycle mantra. Maybe the corporations are still milking the poor climber for the Dogbone dollar. Maybe if at first you don't succeed, you try again.
So this is the quickdraw that I made for Nate. I really have no idea if it will hold him or not, but I'm not too worried because this is kind of my revenge of what happened 2 years ago in Thailand.
3, 2, 1, now. Didn't I just make you lose your fear of falling though? Isn't that a nice thing?
It was a nice thing, very nice thing. I kind of got less scared while falling, but at that moment it was so stressful and I was so scared that I think karma came back to you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice fall.